I did 300 hours of a meditation course in Rishikesh, India. If you do the math, that means that I did 10 hours daily for 30 days. It has been only 4 days and I have to complete 30 days. I cannot believe it that it's over now. It has been a beautiful journey. Hard, intense, but so much beautiful. And in this video, I want to show you my 5 biggest learnings. If you are like me, that you come from the Western countries, you know that meditation is not a practice that is common in our culture. That's why I decided that when I was going to do my 12-month solo trip to India, I was going to do 1 complete month in just learning meditation with the masters. So of course, I started searching for different courses and I found one that was 300 hours. And in case you're wondering how was my 10 hours a day of this course, it started really early in the morning with a cleanse of my body. And this is important because a clean body can enter a meditative state way easier. So this involves to drink a water that it's called Usha Pan, that this water was in a copper container through the night. It helps to clean the body. Then we clean our nostrils with the neti potting. And then we did some stretches just to prepare the body for the meditation. Then we did a 1.5 hour meditation before breakfast on an empty stomach. Then we had the breakfast. Then we did 2 hours of practice. Then we had a lunch break. And after that, we had 2 more classes of theory, 1 to 2 hours of practical classes of mantras and chanting. And then after that, 1 to 2 hours more of a meditation before dinner. And that was basically 1 day out of the 30. It scares me a lot. Nonetheless, I took it like a challenge. Yesterday I had the exam, which was kind of hard. I have to study a lot. I did it! I did it! 300 hours of meditation in 1 month was really intense. And in this video, I want to show you my 5 biggest learnings that I had after doing these 300 hours of my meditation teacher training in India. Not all meditations are beautiful. To be honest, I thought that all the meditations were gonna be like super relaxing and you just feel amazing when you finish. Not at all. When you start going inside yourself, you can experience moments that are not that beautiful. Maybe because that day you were pretty uncomfortable with your physical form. Let's say that your legs or hips or back was hurting. Or maybe that day your mind was kind of like a monkey mind, just jumping from one thought to another. Or maybe that day your thoughts weren't come from a beautiful place and you were just self-punishing a lot. So you can see that not all the meditations are equal. Not all the days that you meditate are gonna have a beautiful experience. But the most important thing is that those days that are really difficult are the ones that are gonna teach you the most. Because at the end, life is challenging and life is hard. And the more you are prepared for those challenges and to be comfortable in uncomfortable moments, it's the best tool that you can learn for your own life. Practice makes the master. And like any other skills that you want to learn in your life, Meditation is the same. And I'm not telling you that you need to do exactly what I did of 10 hours a day, because that's insane. Nonetheless, if you want to advance in this practice and you want to get all of its benefits, you need to practice. And if you don't know where to even begin, in the description box below, I share with you a PDF file that is going to work really good for you. The mind adapts to any stimulus that you give it. You can see that the more you meditate, the more stimulus you give to your mind, the mind adapts to it way better, and you can see a huge decrease in your reactive mind. That, my friends, is the ultimate goal. Making time for yourself is always a good investment. Because think about it, you are the one who's gonna spend time with yourself 24/7, and you are the only one responsible of your own life. So the more you can know yourself, the more tools you have to face challenges in life. And meditation is a self-inquiry practice. Is the only moment in life that you are actually making stop of everything else's and you just go deep inside you. Any moment that you are just doing that is a good investment. The breathing is a tool that you should apply every single day. And of course, each one of us breathes every second of the life. Nonetheless, our breathing is pretty automatic and really shallow. But when we do conscious breathing at least once a day, we are connected the mind with the body and the spirit, because that is the bridge that connects the three. So through conscious breathing, it can help you a lot to connect with your true self every single day, which, by the way, in these modern days, we need those few moments a day to just rewire, rewind, connect, and move on. And breathing is the way and the tool to do it. And right now I want to show you some clips about my course, about my classmates and my teachers, and a little bit of Rishikesh, and I hope that you love it. Here we are climbing 300 stairs to get to Kunjapuri temple. Danish. I am in Rishikesh, the capital city of yoga and spirituality. And this is the Ganga River. Amazing, beautiful river.
What's up? Salt Lake City. Krista from Canada.
I'm Dorian. I'm from Seoul, Korea.
Hi, I'm Nicole. I'm from the Rocky Mountains from Colorado. Hi, I'm Heather. I'm also from Colorado.
Ooh,
Max from Bikini Island. Andrew, Scotland.
Tell me what you have on your forehead.
Bindu and 3 stripes of Shiva. So this is for cooling in your head, and this is to protect your third eye.
Hi. Hi. Last but not least, what's your name?
I'm Kaushal.
Hi.
Ethan.
Nice to meet you. Well, these are my classmates of the meditation course. Here I am. Cross it. Wow. Look at the motorcycles. Another motorcycle almost smashed me. And I'm looking at these beautiful ladies in my back where they wear amazing dresses. We're going to some temples, and after that we're gonna do a meditation near the river. So, super excited! Your new bindi and yours? Oh. Hi, Doreen.
Happy birthday, Pia.
Thank you. Krista is sleeping. Hi. Tambi, I love your class yesterday.
Thank you.
We are in our graduation.
We made it.
How are you feeling?
So happy.
content. It was a good month.
I feel clean.
More calm, more discovery for me and around me.
That's really good.
After a long
Oh,
Hi, Nico. Oh,
You're different.
oh, it's so beautiful.
hi, Brent. Sir Ramji.
Hanji. And working hard. Learning, experiencing, struggling, focusing.
Look at my beautiful necklace from the graduation. This journey of going inside of us, it's key to have a peaceful life, to be more active and less reactive. By knowing yourself, you have much more tools to confront any situation. Okay, thank you guys. Right now I can say that I did it, and I'm so happy and thrilled that I gave this gift for myself, and it's worth it all the way. And well guys, until my next video, I send you lots of kisses, lots of hugs. If there's any topic that you want me to talk about meditation or breathing techniques or whatever has to do with awareness practice, just let me know. Okay? Bye. See you next week.